Tapfumaneyi must be reminded that the Zimbabwe National Army will not be abused, privatized, or mistaken as a personal force for any businessman or political sponsor. The ZNA belongs to the people of Zimbabwe, not to FAS, not to KUTYA, and not to any economic cartel. Tapfumaneyi belongs to KUTYA's faction. Sadapinda mashoko budachi uya tiona karina mjati anachitika magaka mambishi achivava pamusoro paTapfumaneyi. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. TP I state clearly and without apology that Tapfumaneyi is acting in the interests of KUTYA. Hence the sudden promotion and the return to the barracks. Zimbabweans are not blind to the patterns of capture, influence, and loyalty that have looted this nation before. Our country will not be handed over to those we regard as economic predators. Zimbabwe is not a commodity to be transferred through money, uniforms, or staged succession plans. Nyeperanai ikoko NACHAMISA wenu. There is no 2028 coronation for Tagure. Zimbabweans reject fake prophecies, religious manipulation, and political theater dressed up as divine instruction. Attempts to sanctify power through figures like Hubert Angel are deliberate deceptions meant to specify a suffering people. There is no God in looting, intimidation, or electoral fraud. There will be no participation in another sham election where outcomes are predetermined and opposing leaders are expected to walk away quietly. Let it be known, these delusions will be resisted, exposed, and rejected. Zimbabwe belongs to its citizens, not to financiers, prophets, or captured institutions. Zimbabweans will fight to keep their freedom. The government is there to save the liberties of the people, not to restrict them. The people are the sovereign authority, not a government or Asha Tapfumaneyi. Be warned. Doma shukano budai nyogwa pangwa inoi na kirina mjati. Pina comment section medu za fundu aim to deep on subject issue. So subscribe or like up on channel, turn on the bell icon.